In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on age restriction on Instagram. Okay, so to do this, all you need to do is launch up Instagram and then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. And if you're on an Android device, you want to go ahead and tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top right. It might be located in a slightly different area on an iOS device, but tap on those three horizontal stripes and then you want to tap on settings. Now what you need to do is make sure that you have either a business account or a creator account. So if I tap on account, you can see it says switch to personal account, switch to creator account. That means I have a business account, so this is going to work. If you don't have a business or a creator account, make sure that you switch to either a business or a creator account, and then you want to go back and then you want to tap on business. It's the third option. It's either going to say business or creator. I have a business account, so I'm going to tap on business, and there it says branded content, quick replies, and minimum age. If I tap on minimum age, you can see it says default, set a minimum age for people everywhere. So if you tap on add on the right of that, you can now set a minimum age for your Instagram account. So I'm going to type 18, and then all you need to do is tap on the tick mark at the top right. Now my minimum age for my Instagram account has been set to 18. So that's very quick and simple to do. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.